Howdy howdy, another festive CSS tip for you. It's all good knowing how to apply some styles, but that's kind of lost if you don't know how to select the things that you actually want to style. So today we're going to take a look at the nth-child selector. How can we put a festive spin on this? Well, what better way than the children on Santa's list? The nth-child selector comes in handy when you want to select specific children of an element. You might want to select certain children, a block of siblings, or a pattern. So let's dive into this demo. So let's start with even or odd. If we wanted to select all of the evenly indexed list items, we can use nth-child even. Alternatively, if we want all the oddly indexed list items, we change that to nth-child odd. Nothing too complex yet. If we wanted to select a list item at a specific position, we could use nth-child n, where n is that position. So nth-child 1 is the first item in the list. It's important to note that this isn't 0 index, so we can go all the way through from 1 to 12, but 0 wouldn't select anything. Where things start getting a little fancy is where we can use the an plus b pattern, where a is a multiple of n and b is an offset. So if we started with nth-child n, that would select all of the list items, whereas 2n will be every second, 3n every third, and then b provides us with an offset. So if we did 3n minus 1, we would start on the second list item. Alternatively, if we did 3n plus 1, we can see that we now highlight the 4th and the 7th. But note that we've also highlighted the first now because of that little offset. Now this last one will get you some extra cool points. If we chain the an plus b pattern, we're able to do things like select a certain set of siblings. So if we change our rule to say n plus 3 and then chain it to minus n plus 6, you can see that we've selected 3, 4, 5 and 6. I've also included this checkbox at the bottom, which should help you. Have a play with the demo, become a wizard with the nth-child selector, and make sure you get yourself on Santa's list.